Hi everyone and welcome to our trip to Blåvand in Denmark. After our first break at the supercharger in Kolding, we arrived at our little house. We unpacked the car and went shopping for groceries. The next day we were greeted with a nice sunrise and almost no clouds in the sky. After finishing our breakfast, we went to the Blåvand Zoo. In the afternoon and the next day, we went to explore some cities like Esbjerg and Varde. Even though we were pretty near to the beach, we only managed to visit it once during our stay. But we were lucky to find a seal lying in the sand that day. After the beach, we went into the town of Blåvand and I decided to give my camera to my son. Well, no one is born perfect, right? Even though we went in October to Denmark, we only had 1.5 days of raining, which is pretty good. So we went into the tank museum of Oksbøl, where you can actually get inside of some tanks. The last day it was quite stormy, so we went to the Fishing and Seafaring Museum in Esbjerg, and after that the day we went back home.